Alright, Mr. Cadillac, parked in the Channel 3 Drive parking lot, and I'm on the Memphis side of the Riverwalk of the bridge, and I'm going to tell you why. We're going to walk up here to the entrance of the Riverwalk. I'm going to tell you why I came over here is because over in West Memphis, if you come from that side, there's an incline probably a good quarter mile or more. So you walk uphill until you get up to the railroad track level, the bridge level. So, seeing as how I got out of surgery 10 days ago and I've been laying on in my lazy boy recliner for 10 days, I'm not quite physically ready to climb that incline at the moment. So we're going to bring you into the Riverwalk from the Memphis side here. Alright. Here we go. That's the Church on the River down there. I've got the Church on the River parking lot blocked off. This is the Church on the River exit right there. The entrance to the Church on the River parking is blocked off right now. Okay, so now we're coming into the entrance up towards Harahan. The old Frisco Bridge over there. This Arkansas Bridge way over there. Family, got everybody out here riding bicycles. Exercise, enjoying a lovely, pretty day. So here we come to the Riverwalk entrance. Alright. Got two tracks right there coming across Harahan. Got one track goes over the Frisco over there. I showed you that on the West Memphis side. That's the Frisco's the one that they were doing the new construction on the trestle over there. Alright, here we come up on the bridge. As of right now, we are on the bridge. Bicyclers get by here. There we go. And they've got the big tall fence right here that they built with the apron, so that obviously, so people won't get over there on those tracks, won't throw trash and stuff over there on Union Pacific's tracks. Can't blame them there. Got $1 million trains across here. Some people don't seem to give a shit about things like that. Okay, so we're on the Riverwalk. City of Memphis. And as I said over there, this is the old, used to be the old cars used to come down these sides of the bridge. Those rails right there, it was filled in with, I believe it was, back in the old days, it was boards going across. Here all the boards are gone. Steel beams are still there. And this is where the cars would drive on the westbound. Now over on the south side of the bridge, there was another roadway. It's another structure like this over on that side. So that's how it was in the old days. That's what they built the Riverwalk on, is the old, where the cars used to travel. So, that's the entrance to the Riverwalk, folks. On a beautiful day in Memphis. How about that? And there you have it.